For all the moms and baddies on a budget, you got skincare at home. My name is Brittany, and welcome to my series, You Have Skincare at Home. And we're gonna start with a honey mask. The motivation for this video comes from me being a mom. I am a new mom. When I first started looking into cloth diapering, I found a study saying that moms will forego their needs, their necessities. So I'm not talking about like your wants. I'm talking about your needs, your necessities, so that they can get the things that their children need. This is even when there is a man in the household. This is just across the board, all moms. And knowing that a lot of moms will forego their needs, their necessities, I decided to do a series called You Have Skincare at Home. This is a local honey company, so any honey will work. Just whatever you choose at your local grocery store. Honey has several benefits, and I'll list them all here. We got our tablespoon, and then we got this little skincare spatula. Period. Depending on how big your face is, wasted on food. Period. A lot of times during an economic downturn, parents and the elderly and kids generally feel it first when things start to get really bad, you know. Like when it's like the start. A lot of times it's because there's more for finance. So I hope for this series is that a lot of moms will see this and not forego caring for themselves, okay? Like, please take care of yourself. Even when things are bad, you know, the little things. Because this right here just doing this. Oh, my ears are too small. I'm not doing a thin layer. I'm just undoing it. All right. So we didn't use a full tablespoon, but just about. There's not very much left. So, you know, do with that what you will. So we're gonna leave this on for 15 minutes. So yeah, you're gonna be sticky for about 15 minutes. And then we'll wash it off. And I'll come back and show you the results. It's been 15 minutes. I rinsed the mask off with lukewarm water. Now we're gonna use our moisturizer that we also have at home. We're gonna use some olive oil, and I'll put all the benefits here. Just gonna take just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. How much I have. Put that together. And that's it. Remember, you do have skincare at home. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video is just the first of many in this series. So I hope you come back to watch. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.